Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to get to Spaces on X. So let's open X, and you want to tap a profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Now in the side menu you will see different sections. You want to go to section Spaces, and here on this page you will see different spaces that are happening now. So choose spaces that you want to join. Simply tap on it and press button Start Listening at the bottom side of the screen to get to these spaces. Additionally, you can turn on the feature of listening anonymously. If you want that, you can do that. But additionally, in your home timeline, you will also see spaces from the people that you follow. So let me show you how it should look like. Let me show you a screenshot of it. So on your home timeline you will see this large purple banner from the people that you follow, and again, if you want to join these spaces you have to press on it, press those spaces and select option to start listening. So that's how you can get to Spaces on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.